there YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel where we bring you the hottest news and updates around from the world. And boy, we have a viral story of your today. Yes, so imagine waking up one morning, grabbing your phone and bam, no cellular service. And the thousands of people across the United States recently experienced this nightmare when AT&T, one of the largest carriers, that suffered a massive outage. But hold on, it's not what you think. AT&T quickly addressed the situation, assuring everyone that it was not the cyber attack. Nope. Oh, hackers here. It is trust out. Yes, it was just a process error. Oops. According to AT&T, they were in the process of explaining their networks and their encrypted and procedure the applied. Talk about the major offices that led over 32,000 reported outages, and the wood cities like Houston and Chicago, Dallas, Los Angeles, and Atlanta being hit the hardest. Can you imagine this frustration? But guess what? The story does not end there. Other carriers, the Verizon, T-Mobile, and even Cricket Wireless, which is owned by AT&T, faced similar issues. It like a domino effect version, and the T-Mobile users were having the trouble containing and their AT&T friends, while Cricket Wireless customers experienced their own cellular problems. It was a total mess. Now here's in internet part, AT&T's competitors were quick to clarify that their networks were not directly affected. It was only customers trying to reach AT&T who were experiences and difficulties. Talk about a wild chain repetition but reaction. Thankfully that AT&T worked wireless and restored the service throughout the day, and by the afternoon everything was back to normal flow. That part was caused the notification and not disruption. Well, that's still a mystery. AT&T has not provided the many details about what exactly went wrong, and the US, the cybersecurity and the infrastructure security agency confirmed that there are no evidence of a cyber attack. So it seems like it is just a god old-fashioned process error. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the hard-working techniques and the engineers who worked behind the scenes to fix these issues, and they deserve a round of applause. Yes, so what we can that the learn from this incident? Well, technology is incredible, but even the biggest companies can make mistakes. It is a reminder that we are all human and lethal happen. But hey, at least it was not a cyber attack, right? That is it for today viral news.